Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a full concert get ready with me, from the hair, makeup, clothes, everything. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I am first priming my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This stuff is absolutely amazing. It leaves my skin perfectly smoothed out and poreless before we apply any foundation or concealer. Really great stuff. Jeffree Star did a review on this, and ever since I tried it for the first time, I'm just addicted to it. So for my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay, and I am putting a decent amount of this on my face because I am going to a concert. I want to be very full coverage. I don't want to sweat off my makeup while I'm out there, dancing and having a good time. So I'm just putting as you can see, a ton of this on my face to make sure all of my redness is covered, all of my blemishes, blending down my neck, all that good stuff. And then I'm going over the parts where I want just a little bit more coverage with my CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer, and just putting that in the usual places underneath my eyes, on my chin, nose, forehead, all that good stuff, and blending that out with my Beauty Blender. And then to go in and set everything to make sure my makeup stays in place all night, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder and just kind of packing that on my face with a powder brush. And seriously, when you use this powder, your makeup does not budge. It is absolutely amazing. So I'm just kind of setting everything with that. And then before I go in and do my brows, I'm going to do some bronzer to give my face a little bit more dimension. And I'm just using my NARS Laguna and just bronzing in all of my usual places, in my forehead, cheeks, the usual, and all that good stuff. I feel like I say that a lot. That's okay, it's kind of like a staple here on my channel. All that good stuff. Once my bronzer is done, I'm just going in and doing my eyebrows. First, I am just brushing them through with a spoolie, and then I'm going to use the CoverGirl pomade, and I'm just going to kind of follow the natural shape of them, just to kind of make them a little bit darker and a little bit more defined, because after I do my foundation, my brows kind of get covered up. So this pomade just kind of brings them, back to life. Alright, so brows are on. Now we can go ahead and get started on the eyes. So first things first, I'm just taking some Scotch tape and applying that to the outer corners of my eye to prepare for the eyeshadow. And the first shade I'm dipping into is from the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. And I'm taking the Celebrity Skin shade, and on just a fluffy blending brush, I am just sweeping that all through the crease to kind of warm it up. And also, I really just wanted an excuse to use this color because it is amazing. Celebrity Skin is hands down one of the best shades in the entire world in both eyeshadow and lipstick. So that's what I'm doing there. And then I'm jumping over to the Jeffree Star Alien palette, and I am taking this kind of greenish gray shade called Ghost OG, and I am putting that on kind of the outer corner of my eye, but not making it too dark on the outer corner, because we are going to be applying another shade out there later. So I'm just kind of darkening up the outer part of my eye. Then I'm going in with Space Cowboy, and this is kind of like a dark shimmery brown, and that is where I am putting that on the very outer corners of my eye, kind of where I would start with wing eyeliner. I just kind of thought these colors together would look kind of cool. And then once that is all blended out, I am taking this shade, which is called Moon Rock, which is a very beautiful kind of shimmery green color, and I'm just packing that on the lid there, and then going back and blending all of the eyeshadows together. Next, I am just taking a CoverGirl liquid eyeliner, and I am just applying that to the top eyelid of both of my eyes. I really like to do cat eyes pretty much every day or every time I do makeup. I don't really have a specific routine that I do with my eyeshadow, but I usually always do liquid eyeliner. It's definitely a favorite. Moving on to the bottom part of my eye, I am just taking this black eyeliner by Jordana and applying that on my waterline. And then I'm going back with Celebrity Skin and kind of wiping that underneath my eyes to kind of smoke them out, make them look a little bit darker. And then for mascara, I'm going in with the CoverGirl Total Tease and loading this crap on my top and bottom lashes. I love this mascara. I feel like when you use this one, you really don't need falsies. It just looks so good. Next, I'm just taking a Tarte Party blush and putting that on the apples of my cheeks and using Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Mint Condition to highlight. It kind of has like a green tinge to it, which kind of matched the eyeshadow that I was wearing. So it was just perfect. Then to line my lips, I'm using the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Lip Liner in Caramel Nude. And then I am filling my lips in with Jeffree Star Cosmetics Celebrity Skin Liquid Lipstick. And then here is what the face makeup looks like all finished up. Now it is time to get out of these pajama loose clothes and head to my closet. So the first thing I'm doing is just getting my shoes. These are my Demonia boots that I got years ago from Hot Topic, and I really do like to wear these for concerts, and I'm just kind of picking out a outfit that I'm going to be comfortable in but also looks badass at the same time. So once I do that, boom, it is time to change. We are all good. Now we're going to move into my bathroom and do my hair. So I am not really the kind of person that likes to style my hair too often. I don't like styling my hair, but usually what I will do is I will just add some dry shampoo. I think this is SGX brand. I really like it. I like the way it smells, and this is just gonna kind of suck up some excess oil and give my hair a little bit more volume. And I do like to add one weft of extension to my hair, again, just to give my hair a little bit more volume. And then I just take my hair straightener and I just straighten out the front parts of it just to kind of get rid of any like parts that may be sticking up or look a little bit awkward. And after I do that, that's really all I do with my hair. Like I said, I'm not really that big on styling it. I really just do these simple steps and I am good to go. Next, for the finishing touches, it is time to put on my shoes. I really like wearing these because, one, they give me a couple more inches of height so I can see a little bit better. They're really comfortable, and if anyone pisses me off, I can just kick them right in the fucking face with these things. I'm just kidding, don't do that. But yeah, I love wearing these. I used to wear these all the time in high school, and they very quickly became my concert shoes. Then for perfume, I'm using the KKW Body 3 and applying that to my skin. And then for my concert bag, this is the Teddy Blake Sylvia Napa bag. It is a leather purse. It is about 9 inches, so it's kind of a smaller bag. And this is seriously like the perfect concert bag. I needed a smaller bag to bring with me to concerts, and it fits everything that I need absolutely perfectly. So I just have my wallet, I throw some gum in there, my keys, my lipstick that I may be wearing. Everything that I could possibly need for a concert fits perfectly in this bag. I absolutely love it. I like the look of quilted bags. They just look very sophisticated, very classy. And this bag is also very secure. Once I do have all of my stuff in it and I lock it up, nothing falls out. Everything fits perfectly. and it also looks really, really good as well. As you can see, it just looks really classy. It's not heavy, it's not bulky. It was perfectly fine to wear and party with all night. I had absolutely no issues. If you guys are interested in checking out this bag, you can go to teddyblake.com and check out the links all in the description box for that. And once you have everything all ready to go, here is what my concert look looks like. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and getting ready with me. Again, if you're interested in the Teddy Blake bag or many other bags, make sure you check out the links in the description box. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and subscribe to my channel. But until then, I will see you all soon. Bye!